Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can search for cryptos using the Kraken app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Kraken app, and then when you are on the home page, you have to go to the crypto page, which is on the left side, this icon. And here, if you start scrolling down, you will see the leaderboard and then assets. And here, if you scroll down all the way to the asset list, you can either go and scroll through the list and look for cryptos this way, but the list is quite long, so there is a search icon here, and then you can just type in any name, for example Ripple, and you find the crypto on the spot. And then you can check the statistics and everything about the specific crypto that you just found. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.